Welcome to Moses TCG. Are you having trouble with your Ubiquiti UniFi 6 long-range access point? In this video, I will show you how to reset it to factory defaults. Let's get started. Locate the reset button inside the hole on the back of your UniFi 6 long-range access point. Use a paper clip open to press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. It is normally 10 seconds, but it is better for you to keep on pressing until when you see the flashlights, that blue light flashing. And the device should go in the reset mode. After resetting, your UniFi 6 LR AP will restart and return to its factory default settings. That's it. You've successfully reset your Ubiquiti UniFi 6 long-range access point to factory defaults. Thanks for watching Moses TCG. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and networking tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. I will be happy to help.